Nick Rutter for the McKee's 37 Trademark Garage. I'm going to show you how I clean wheels and tires. First and foremost, I add a few ounces of McKee's 37 Coating Prep Auto Wash in a bucket of water. This provides additional lubrication. I activate the suds with a strong jet of water, and then I take my different wheel and tire cleaning tools and I dunk them in. It's all about lubrication. You want lots of lube when you're cleaning painted and clear coated wheels. Let them soak for a couple minutes, and then what you want to do is you want to spray McKee's 37 foaming wheel cleaner gel all over the face of the wheel and the barrels. That way no area goes untouched. This product changes colors as it breaks up and dissolves iron particles. Take your wheel brush of choice, and I like to clean the barrels first. Really get in there and make sure you get it clean. No area should go unscrubbed during the wheel cleaning process. After the barrels and in between the spokes are clean, my next tool I'm going to reach for is our detail brush. This is going to be used for the face of the wheel and other nooks and crannies like the lug nut holes, the emblem, by the valve stem, and anywhere else a small brush like this comes in handy. Rinse it off, and last but not least is the tire and rubber rejuvenator. This is going to melt off browning and old silicone dressings from the tire. Spray it on, scrub with this stiff brush, and you'll watch the brown melt off the tire. Now it's okay if some of this runs onto the wheel, just don't let it dry. Thoroughly rinse it off with a strong jet of water and you can see the browning just melt off the tire. Then to protect the wheel, you're going to use Hydro Blue. Spray it on, rinse it off. This is going to add a layer of coating protection that'll keep your wheels cleaner in between washes. Dry the wheel off, pull your vehicle in the garage or work on it outside if you prefer. And next, I'm going to apply McKee's 37 Tire Shine SiO2 Enhanced using the McKee's 37 Dual Action Trim and Tire Applicator Sponge. To avoid overspray, apply it directly to the sponge, and then do the top first, and then the bottom. That way you distribute the product so it's not blotchy or smeary. Apply a uniform coat. You notice just how far this product goes. It's going to dry to the touch, and it's going to restore the natural rubber conditioners in the tire. It's not going to sling off, and your tires will look fantastic. So that's how I, Nick Rutter, clean wheels and tires using McKee's 37 detailing products. Get a gallon-size refill with our 32-ounce professional spray bottles. I'm Nick Rutter for the McKee's 37 Trademark Garage.